Some more thoughts on the task at hand for new Reggae Boyz coach Steve McClaren. One of his expressed ambitions is to use his English football connections to recruit more players to play for Jamaica. Question though, how many more England-based players the JFF and Coach McClaren intend to add to the already strong English contingent? And are we recruiting the pieces we specifically need? Or we just grab on to any shirt of any player who has a Jamaican grandmother? I mean, how many more players do we actually need? Not want, but need to accomplish this mission. There is a thing called diminishing returns. It's like recruiting and recruiting and recruiting till the team start get worse. And next question, will the new recruits have time to gel with the old recruits and the new coach? We have CONCACAF Nations League early September, and we resume World Cup qualifying next year. So do we have the time to do what we have to do? Do we even know what we're doing?